Hey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, I want to show you guys these really fun little adorable embellishments that I just made. I thought they came out really pretty. I made them for a reason. I will show you at the end of the video how I'm going to use them. But you can use these for anything that you want. You can use them to decorate a goodie bag or even use them as front of a nice little note card. Maybe you're mailing out some Easter treats to your friends. You can use this as a little tag. You can use these for any reason. Even as a cupcake topper will be a very cute idea. So let's do this together. And I want to show you what I'm using to create these little embellishments. So what I'm using for the little front of the embellishment are these fun little stickers that I got a few years ago. These are really adorable little stickers. They're super duper sparkly, as you can see there. And so I'm going to use a few bunnies to create our little embellishment. Hold on, I lost a bunny. Wait, where's the other bunny? Oh, here it is. All right, this one. We're gonna use this one also. All right, so I have 3 bunnies here that we're going to use. So for the little background, I have here a cupcake liner that I'm going to use. These are the little mini cupcake liners. They're super tiny. They look like this. They're not regular cupcake liners, although you can use regular cupcake liners if you have, but I'm using these little mini ones. So what I did is I fold them in the middle like I always do my cupcake liners. Let me show you, just in case you're new to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you are not new to my channel, thank you so much for always returning. All right, so you're going to take your cupcake liner. You're going to fold it in half. You're going to scrunch in the middle. And then you're going to open it up. And you're just going to give the size of the embellishment that you want. That's all you're going to do. All right? So that's for the cupcake liners. For the front of the cupcake liner, I'm using these flowers. I got these flowers at Michael's a long time ago. As you can see here, this is a collection called Color Splash. It's like a very old collection. I'm going to use these paper flowers to adorn our little embellishment. And so I have here a few flowers. So we're going to use this pretty green one, this pretty purple one, and this pretty pink one. All we're gonna do is just add a little bit of hot glue to the center of the flower and add it to the center of the cupcake liner. That's really all we're going to do. Okay. And you don't need too much, just a little dab is okay. So you're going to have your cupcake liners that look like this. Now we're going to add the sticker in the center. I have here these stickers that I already have on the side that we can add. Now for the stickers, all I did on the back of the sticker, all I did was I cut out a little piece of dimension. Let me show you. All right, so I just took a little piece of this dimension that comes like this, and I just cut this one in half. And I use 1/2 to add to the back of my sticker. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I don't want my stickers to be directly onto my little flower. So by doing this, it gives it a little bit of dimension and it kind of lifts it up a little bit, okay? You don't have to do that, but I like doing that. So I already have my dimensions on the back of my little sticker. I'm going to peel off the backing and I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue. And I'm going to add my sticker to my little flower. See there? Let's do the same thing for the rest of the other little stickers. Right in the center. And the last bunny. All right, we're done. We're done. Okay, see that? How cute are these? These are so cute. And they're so sparkly. Okay, you can stop here if you want, but I'm not going to stop because I have another thing that I want to add to my embellishment, which are these little round cork little, I don't know what they are. Okay, so what they really are cork banners. Okay, they come, I bought these a while ago and they come in these little baggies and they're really cork banners. So what they really are is just a little banner that you can add, you know, whatever design you want on it, and they just come with little strings attached to it. The little cork comes with little strings attached to it. What I did is I simply just chopped off one of the corks, okay? And what I did is I kind of cut the extra little string on the side, and I'm going to use this to add my embellishment right over, just giving it a nice little pretty look to it. All right, so let's do that. I have here 3 that we're going to do. All right, so I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue and I'm going to add it directly to the little circle. And let's do the same thing with this one. If you don't have these little circles, you can always use paper. Easter paper, make a nice little circle with your punch and you can use that as your little backing for your embellishment. Or if you want, you can also use a bigger cupcake liner and that also works perfectly fine as well. And that's how I made these little fun, adorable embellishments. I love how they turned out. I love it. But I am going to use these and I'm going to add them to a little baggie that I have for my coworkers, and I'm going to show you. I think that turned out so cute. Again, you can use these for whatever purpose you want, but the reason why I made these is because I turned them into a cute little holder for these treats that I'm going to bring in at work. And I thought these turned out so pretty. I absolutely love this doily that looks like so perfect with the sticker because they're both super shiny, as you can see there. So I made a whole bunch of these. All right, and I'm going to show you a really quick way on how I put these together, but you can always use this idea and add it to another project that you may have. All right, so let's very quickly put these together. So I am using these adorable, super sparkly little doilies that I got a really long time ago at Michael's. This is from the Martha Stewart collection. And these are super, look at that. I mean, look at that. Now, if you want to talk about sparkle, look at that. Look how much this, oh my goodness. Okay, let me stop doing that. So I'm going to use one of these. All right. And again, if you don't have something similar to this, just use regular doilies. Regular doilies are perfectly fine. You can always use pink doilies. You can always use yellow, regular white doilies. It doesn't really matter, okay? And if the worst comes to worst, if you don't have any doilies at home, then get yourself a nice little beautiful Easter paper and make yourself a little band for your tree. It's that simple, okay? So I'm going to fold my doily in half because I want my doily to be kind of like a little handle for these delicious popcorn. I got these popcorns for them because I thought they were so, when I saw these popcorns, I thought, oh my God, these are perfect for Easter treats, because look at the popcorn, how funky and how delicious and how like so many colors. It has sprinkles and it has white fudge. It's really, really, really yummy. I had one already, obviously, right? I had to do a tester. And I approve. So I love these. And they're also part of the Cold Stone Creamery cake batter. So they're just absolutely delicious. So I thought these would be perfect as an Easter treat. So I fold these in half. And by the way, I got these at the Dollar Tree. I fold these in half. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add like a little banner to my little baggie. So I'm going to put a little bit of double-sided tape on each end. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually fold this into my little baggie. Just like a little holder. All right. See? Just like a little holder. And then I'm going to hot glue my little embellishment right in the front of that. And boom, we're done. And that is how we'll finish this project. I absolutely love these embellishments. All right, so we're gonna add this right in the center. And all they gotta do is, when they get this, they can basically undo this from the back very carefully. It'll come out, see? And they can open the little baggies if they want, all right? And that is how I use my beautiful embellishments that we made together. I thought these turned out so good, guys. Look at this. I love how these turned out. And if you want, you can also make a banner out of these adorable little embellishments, yeah? You can do so many things with them. They're so much fun to create, and you can do so many things with them. And again, you can use different stickers. You don't have to use these particular stickers. By the way, I know someone's going to ask. Those stickers, I believe I got those stickers at, I want to say Target a few years ago. But again, you don't have to use those. You can use any stickers that you have. It's perfectly fine. All right, my loves. I love these. I can't wait to bring them in. Okay, perfect. I'll see you guys on my next video. I hope that you guys are enjoying the series. I'm so excited to make more videos for you guys. I'm trying to put out videos, at least 1 or maybe 2 videos a day. I'm going to try my best to do that. So I'm trying to work on that. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a like. Make sure you subscribe to my Instagram and my YouTube channel so you can see these really fun projects. I will be posting some awesome pictures in Instagram, so make sure you follow me there. And also make sure that you hit that subscription button so that you can see more of my videos, as well as the little bell. All right, my love? I love you all so much, and I will see you on our next video.